Today's real estate special news, February 10, 2025. Disclaimer: this news is for informational and knowledge purposes only. It is not intended as financial advice. Please consult with real estate professionals for personalized guidance. India's real estate market continues to be a dynamic and promising sector, with major cities like Mumbai, Chennai, Bangalore, and Hyderabad leading the charge. Let's delve into the latest trends and developments shaping this vibrant market. Mumbai, the financial capital. Mumbai, India's financial heart, maintains its position as a coveted destination for real estate investors. Prime properties in the city center command premium prices, while suburban areas are also experiencing significant appreciation. Ongoing infrastructure development projects, such as the expansion of the metro rail network, are further enhancing Mumbai's appeal. Chennai, a balanced market. Chennai offers a more balanced real estate market compared to its counterparts. The city's diverse economy, encompassing manufacturing, and healthcare, attracts a mix of residents and businesses. Areas like Ambattur, with its blend of industrial and residential properties, and Porur, known for its established residential neighborhoods, are popular choices. Ponneri and Gamidi are emerging as attractive options due to their growth potential. Bangalore, the tech hub. Bangalore's thriving IT sector continues to be the primary driver of the city's real estate market. The demand for housing, especially among young professionals, remains high. The city's vibrant lifestyle and job opportunities attract a large and affluent population. Hyderabad, the emerging giant. Hyderabad's strategic location, coupled with a strong presence in the IT and pharmaceutical sectors, has propelled its real estate market to new heights. The city offers a relatively affordable cost of living compared to Mumbai and Bangalore, making it attractive to both residents and investors. Key factors influencing the market: infrastructure development. Investments in transportation, metro rail, and road networks are crucial for real estate growth in all four cities. Economic growth. The overall economic health of India and the specific sectors driving each city's economy impact real estate demand. Demographics. Changing demographics, such as urbanization and increasing nuclear families, influence housing preferences. Government policies. Supportive government policies, including tax benefits and infrastructure development initiatives, can positively impact the real estate market. Interest rates. Fluctuations in interest rates can affect home loan affordability and overall market sentiment. While the Indian real estate market presents promising opportunities, it's essential to conduct thorough research and consider factors like location, property type, and market trends before making any investment decisions. Disclaimer: this information is for general knowledge and informational purposes only. It's recommended to consult with real estate professionals for personalized advice. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on WhatsApp, Facebook, and Instagram for the latest updates on the Indian real estate market. Would you like to focus on a specific city or aspect of the real estate market?